see all the wishes coming through. I admire his taste in clothing. Blue satin with a big blue felt matching hat that he wears kind of askewed off to the side. Goes perfect with him. And he wears it so well. He's not complaining, he's not upset about any of it. It's a great little outfit. Oh, it's lined. Oh, he's expensive. It's a lined cape. Yeah. Built for athletic wear. Want to see that cat in the house? Very few cats will tolerate something on their head. Isn't this a special cat that thinks, yeah, that hat looks good on him. Good color, good hat, really good disposition to this cat. The cat in the hat.